What's up everyone, welcome to this cooking channel, and today we are going to make passion fruit juice without using a blender. Passion fruits are tropical kind of fruits that are used for desserts. They're used for baking and salads and also juice, but the juicing is commonly done in tropical areas. So today I'm going to show you how we can make juice out of these beautiful sweet tangy fruits without using a blender. All you need is the fruits themselves, a very big plastic mug. You can use a jar or a jug if you want, a sieve, and sugar plus water. So just scoop out the seeds out of the shell of the fruit like I'm doing in the video. And usually the seeds have they are thick in nature, and we shall just basically squeeze the juice out of the seeds like you're going to see in the video. A healthy, juicy passion fruit looks exactly like this, full with the seeds that are juicy. And there are times that you land on passion fruits that are not healthy and are not juicy, but that's how a healthy one looks like. So at this point, before you do anything, before you pour in water, before you add in sugar, just squeeze the fruits the way I'm doing, or mix them the way I'm doing using a spoon and a sieve. The reason why we opt for a plastic mug is because it's light and won't give us issues. So that's the amount of juice at the moment that six passion fruits will produce, and at the end of the day it produced 2 full mugs. So some people opt for some people use a cloth to squeeze out the juice. I have never used that, so I can't show you how to use the cloth to make juice. So as the juice gets out of the seeds, the process of squeezing will make the juice get out of the seeds. Slowly by slowly add sugar. If you don't want to put sugar, you don't have to put sugar. If you want to put sugar, you can put sugar, it's optional. Then continue mixing thoroughly. The juice will keep on coming out as you mix the seeds using the spoon and the sieve. As you can see, the seeds are beginning to show and to separate. This shows that the seeds are running out of juice, and at this particular moment you just add in some little water. You can see there is a very huge difference from how we started and now. There is a difference in the texture of the seeds, and this shows that the juice in the seeds is almost done. Just add in water if you think your juice is too conk or too sugary. If it's too watery, just add in a passion fruit or 2 to make it conk. So yes, this shows if our seeds are light and spaced, this shows that they are totally done and the juice is out. So yes, your passion fruit juice is ready to be enjoyed. You can enjoy this in the summer heat, hot weather, or when you're thirsty. You can add ice cubes if you want or if you don't want. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.